Okay, we're going to create a program that has a push button, but we'll keep the push button switch to stay on. So we're going to put the components on first. So if we go to output, put an LED into the 2D dashboard, and if we go to input and put a switch like that, then if we go to the component macros and put in a loop, then we can decide that we want to read the switch state, and as it's an input, it needs a variable to store the value with. So let's call that value. Put that in here. So double click, put that in there. Now what do we want to do with that? We want to switch on the LED, don't we? Okay. So we're going to put that in here, but we only want to switch the LED when this has been pressed. So when this is pressed, value equals 1. When it's not pressed, value equals 0. So we need a decision. We need to fill in a decision, and in the decision, you need to ask that question. Value equals 1 is the decision, and then we have the yes and the no. So if value equals 1, we want to put it on, and if value equals 0, then we want to put it off. So if value doesn't equal 1, we want to put it off. So we play that, and we can see I need to connect these up, sorry, to the correct pin. So when we get this, let's put this on A2. Won't work until we do this, and let's put this on A3. Try again, press the button, and light comes on. Let go, light comes on, off, on, off. Yeah? So, but when we press this, we want this to come on and stay on. So how are we going to do that? If it comes down here, and if it's on, then it comes on, that's fine. But we want something to happen after we've pushed the button for it to stay on. So what we can do is we can bring in a calculation that has another variable, say pushed on already, or something like that. And we can say pushed on already equals 1. And then, so once it's been pushed, the lights come on, we say pushed on already equals 1. Yeah? Could put that up there, doesn't matter. And now we need another decision that goes in the no side, and it says if pushed on already equals 1, not true. You could have made that true, not sure. Then we can say if pushed on already is on, so if it's been pushed already, but the button's now off, then it comes back on again. What happens if pushed on already? Right, we don't actually want it to go off until either the button's been pushed, is being pushed, or the button has been pushed. That's the only times that we want this to go in there. Okay. Now when we play it, it goes on and stays on. Okay. If we want it to go off again, then we would need to so what we could do here is we could have it go on and then off. But that's something to think about. Okay, now done.